So hello guys, I know it's still half term and I don't want to burst you lots of bubbles, but we do need to start getting ready for school. And practically speaking myself, now that I'm a school mum, from a nursery mum to a school mum, I didn't know that you're supposed to get things, let's say, from July. So I've got mine in August and most of the things were gone, it was cleaned out. So I just prayed and looked online. Most of the things I got it online, and lastminute.com I got things physically at the store. So I just made it in time. I'm going to share with you what we got for our child and where we got it from and how he's practicing getting ready for school. Dude, when I looked at it, it was so small. Like, his uniform is so tiny. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm not going to cry. It's so small and I can't believe he's going to school. Like, it was just what? And 3 years ago where, he was at nursery. How long has he been at nursery? He's been at nursery since he was 1. So let's count from 2. So 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so he's been at nursery for 3 years. And now he's officially going to school, a big boy now. And my heart just melts for him. And I honestly hope he does well and he makes lots of friends and he learns his phonics. Because I know he knows his phonics, but he can learn a bit more. But overall, yeah, so let's go. So we got him these ones, which are from Next. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, these ones are from Next. And I got him a size bigger so that he grows into these shoes. So these ones are his backup shoes. And his original shoes are here. I wish they only had like one Velcro, like this one, you know? Yeah, I remember these. I used to wear these when I was a child. But anyway, let's go. So these are his official school shoes. There you go. And these are from Primark, Primani. So these are from Primark. Oh, look. He's going to school. He's going to school. Oh, my brother's going to school. Yeah, so these are his school shoes and backup and school shoes. So definitely. I love the fact that it's quite soft for him and easy for him to put on. And also the good side of this is that I got him to practice how to put them on. So I will show you a clip after this. So get watching. I'm so excited that he's going to school, no more paying for nursery now. Hey, I'm done. But then we got him a lunch box for him because he's a selective eater. I know that he might not like the school food, so this is just a backup. And we got him to also open it for himself so that when he's at school he's able to open it himself, because there's going to be a lot of children at the canteen or the lunch hall, and most of the teachers or the dinner ladies might not have time to come and help every single children. So I got him to practice how to open it. And the amazing thing is that inside of this, let me just open it, you get 3 containers. So you have 1, then you have 2, then you have 3. So because he loves grapes so much, I was thinking this will be for his little grapes. I put these grapes in here, so definitely his fruits in here, and the rest will be his lunch in the other container. So yeah, so definitely this one. I will show you a video of him actually practicing how to open his own container after this slide. So in regards to his PE kit, this is the policy for his school. It needs to be navy, so we got him a navy tracksuit. You can also have shorts for him, so I'll definitely get him shorts. This will probably be for next year when if we have a summer. So these are his tracksuits. Again, it's from Primark. It's £7 and you get 2 pairs. So again, I got him a size bigger. So definitely would recommend you guys. Primani. So yes, definitely. Then the next item we bought for him are his school trousers, which is here. I love these. So we got him elastic ones. I'm just going to repeat the word because every time I try to pronounce certain words, they don't come out correct. So we got him the elastic ones so that it's easier for him to pull up and pull down. So I got him to try putting it on and also pulling it down. He's really good at dressing himself up, so I don't have no concerns whatsoever, but it's always good to also allow him to practice with the uniform because he'll be wearing it most of the times when he's at school. So with these trousers, I got these from Amazon and they actually have pockets. Probably sneak some biscuits and put it inside there since he loves biscuits so much, you know. So it's got pockets and it's really nice and elastic, very nice. So yeah. So because he's going to be wearing a long jumper, I didn't want to get him a long sleeved ones. So he's got his little t-shirt ones, short sleeve. And we got 2 of them. And again, these are from Amazon. So would definitely recommend, and they were quite cheap as well, so I'm quite happy with that. And then the next item we have is his PE kit. We got these from Primark, and these were actually just, let's see how much they were, £9, so quite decent. And you get 3 sets, which there's another one here. So all of this obviously are going to be washed before he wears and iron as well. So 3 sets for him for his PE kit. So definitely would recommend. So in regards to practical side of going to school, we have been talking to our son about road safety, which means looking left, looking right, looking left again, looking right. When it's safe to cross, then cross. Obviously we'll be dropping him ourselves, but it's also good for him to understand road safety because he'll be mostly riding his bike or his scooter or skateboard, which is a new thing that he's into now. His skateboard, we need to make him aware of the danger of crossing the roads and also walking, you know, in the pavements because there's also a road on the other side. So we've been discussing that with him, and we've been doing a lot of, you know, stop, look, listen, cross, the green man, wait, and etc. So he's been doing really well with that. Sometimes he forgets, but we always reassure him that, you know, you need to stop, you need to look, is it safe to cross? Yes, and let's cross, and always hold our hands. So with that area, we're still going to be doing it with him as we go to school, and wherever else we go, we always practice road safety with him. When it comes to practicing how to write his name, again, I started this year actually, writing his name, and he's really good at doing that. His auntie introduced him to dots. With me, it was more, you know, we're gonna trace your name first and then after that we're going to write it. So at the moment he's able to write his name once you spell it for him. Once you spell it, he'll write the letters. For example, if it's D, he'll put the D. If it's E, he'll put the E. He'll write it perfectly, and because he has a hyphen in his name, I had to show him how to do the hyphen, which is just a line across. He's doing that really well. And also I got him to recognize his name, meaning that I'll write his name somewhere around the house, and then I'll tell him to look for his name, and then he will go and look for it and he will tell me his name. And even if I stick his name on the show and tell toy, for example, he'll say, "Mama, it's my name, da da da," and I go, "Yes, that's your name." And that's really good for him to practice that, only because once they start school, you know, they're gonna have their peg, it's gonna have their name. Therefore, the child needs to recognize their name for them to put their coats and their bags. So if we practice now, they'll be better at it when they're physically at their school environment and they're doing it for themselves. It will be easier for them as well. So definitely do practice their name for them as soon as possible. When it comes to school routine with our child, we have been discussing about school and also how he's going to be wearing his uniform, which way he'll be going to school, brushing his teeth, having a mini shower, a quick shower, a quick mini shower before he goes to school, and putting on his clothes on and etc. So that's gonna be in our routine, and also we're gonna start that from next week, where we'll make a chart with him. And that, let me repeat the word chart so it doesn't come out wrong. So we're gonna make a chart with him where we'll have brushed teeth, mini shower, breakfast, get dressed, and shoes on, let's go to school. So we're gonna create that with him, and he's gonna, every time he follows it, he'll probably open it up or tick it or put a sticker to show that he's done it. So what I've been doing right now is that before he goes to nursery, because he's currently still at nursery, when he goes to nursery, I'll tell him, brush your teeth, get dressed, have breakfast. He'll do it himself independently. And things that he's not able to do, he'll say, Mama, can you help me? Or Mama, it's too hard. So I want him to also get used to that. You can always ask for help if you need the help, but if you can do it yourself, try and do it yourself. So we're definitely going to do that with him, and get him to the school routine and the sleeping and the waking up and the half term. Yeah, we'll definitely have to do that as well. Also, the practical side of school is that making a folder in your computer or laptop. Now that we live in the world that everything is kind of digital, what I'm going to have to do for myself is create a folder, which is going to be a school folder and probably the year next to it, 2023 and 2024. So everything that is emailed to me, everything that is sent to me through email, it will be in that folder so that it's organized and I know where to look for. Should he have a event or should he have a trip, I know that, that's the folder to look out for. And also we've got a calendar where I note down what he's going to be doing and when he's going to be doing it. So at least that way it can help me, because now that we're working and we've got children at school, our head tend to run away. So for it to come back, we need to have something to tell us for it to come back. So definitely need to have a calendar in place and a folder on your computer in place as well to help you be more organized. And the next note is for me, because I'm going to be a school mom. I also need to connect with parents that are currently in that school, because with his class you have nursery and then you have reception. So obviously the children that are in nursery will go into reception. So those parents obviously have been there for a year most likely. They know how the school works. They know what to look out for and when to look out for them. So obviously I need to connect with the parents and also join the WhatsApp group with them if they have a WhatsApp group, in order for me to get as much information as possible, because again, sharing is caring. So definitely need to have that in place so that I'm able to connect with other parents and also have play dates as well in the park and anywhere else. But yeah, so definitely WhatsApp group. I need to have a WhatsApp group with the parents and be up to date with the information. Also, I had forgotten to mention in regards to uniform, make sure you have a name tag. Only because I know I've worked in a school, so I know that things get lost. But when it has your child's name on it, it's easier to be found, as in if it's found, we'll know that this belongs to this child because it has a name. So I have 2 sticker labels, and one you iron on and the other one you stick on to objects. So what I tend to do is iron all his stuff, especially now that he's going to have a school uniform. I'm going to probably iron his name on it, his jumper, I'm going to iron that up as well. That way, if he loses it and someone finds it, or have his name on it, and they can just kindly give it back to us, please, because everything costs some money. So definitely have a name tag or name labels, as you will call it, just to help you, ease up with losing stuff at school. Good luck to us parents and the children that are going to school September 2023, and I hope that we have an amazing day, leaving our children in people's care, and also that our children have an amazing day meeting new people and being in a new environment. Children are very resilient, so they're able to adapt quite quickly. And it's always best practice to try and speak to your children about what's ahead and what's about to come and what they're expecting to kind of see around them. So definitely would say that do your best as a parent, because we are doing really well as parents. Yes, we are. We need to pat ourselves at the back. or shoulder or wherever you want. So we are doing an amazing job being a parent, and we are raising little human beings to be prime ministers, to be millionaires, to be, I'm just going to manifest everything for us, and you know, just to be financially freedom. Let me give it to all of us, financial freedom. So we're doing an amazing job. Let's keep on doing what we're doing for our children. And let's also remember that we need to connect with other people around us as well in order to build a community and work together as a team. So thank you very much for watching my video. I honestly hope you guys have enjoyed it, and I honestly hope I did not speak too fast, because I tend to speak very, very fast. So I do apologize for that. But overall, have a good break. Okay, break. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.